Hello everyone, it's Chloe here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of a chillax video. It is a very gloomy day outside and obviously I'm self-isolating, so I'm kind of bored. Today I'm going to go through every piece of clothing I own and see if it fits me anymore. Recently I have lost a ton of weight, so I have actually dropped like 1 or 2 sizes. So half my clothes don't actually fit anymore, so I have to go through them all and see what actually fits and what I can wear. I did a little bit of this yesterday, so I'll obviously insert that footage first, but I basically have my 6 drawers over here, my bed drawers, and also my wardrobe. I have bought some new clothes from Fashion Nova and Pretty Little Thing, so that will be a haul coming soon, probably after this video. But I'm going to be trying on a couple items and seeing if they fit. Like majority of this stuff, if I don't know if it fits or not, I will be trying them on because I need to see if I actually need them in my wardrobe. If you want to know how my wardrobe turns out after this video, just keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Before I actually do anything, like I did say, I have started this already. I've been weekly vlogging this week. I tried to start a little bit of my wardrobe yesterday. I didn't talk or anything, I just did like kind of like a try on portion, so I'll insert that footage right now. I have a big garbage bag right behind me, right there. It's already full of clothes and that's just from like 2 drawers. Usually I declutter my things because I don't wear them anymore, but generally I have to declutter because I can't wear them anymore because they don't fit me. I'll be going through every piece of clothing. If it's too big but I can still wear it like with the belt, or I can like make it work, I'll keep it. But it's just the clothing that don't fit at all that I need to get rid of. So let's start with the wardrobe. I think the wardrobe will be the easiest for me because the wardrobe over here, I wear majority of the clothes in here on a regular basis. We will see how this goes. So this is my garbage bag full of clothes that I am donating. Before I start anything, I look terrible, but this is what I usually do when I go through my clothes. Second of all, I will be trying them on. Like I said, I'm wearing a nude bra, so I'm not naked, it's just nude, and I'm also wearing my pajama bottoms. This is my PJs right now. So like I said before, I have gone through majority of the hanging stuff, but something you can't see is actually little cube boxes from Bunnings on the floor full of coats. Open sesame. As you guys know, this side of my wardrobe is mostly just my Richmond stuff, which unfortunately has been cancelled. Obviously Richmond is my football team. If you are new here, hello. I'm going to keep all of them, I think, just because what I don't wear I can give to the boys or even mum. I'll go through these when actually footy season starts, but I'm going to keep everything that is Richmond. I feel like the jumpers fit me, so I know for a fact my 2 all body ones fit me perfectly because I wear them pretty regularly, so I know they fit me pretty good, so I'm going to keep them. Stuff I've worn recently, I automatically will know that it fits me. That's what I'm saying, most of the hanging stuff I've worn pretty recently, so I know they fit. I'm going to get rid of this jumpsuit just because I don't actually wear it. There's no real point for me keeping it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure everything in here I'm going to keep, but I do really want to tackle the little boxes down the bottom. So I have 3 of these and they're full of jackets that are too heavy to put on my closet rod thingy, or I just don't really wear often enough to put them actually hanging up. Oh, I remember this. I haven't worn this. So this, my friends, is from Pretty Little Thing, I'm pretty sure. And when I bought it, it wasn't really, it was too small kind of. This is a 3X, but I don't think it's like actually a 3X. Like it's still kind of small. If I can get it zipped up, oh my god, I'll be so happy. I couldn't zip it up before. Oh my god, okay. It looks terrible with this shirt on. Dude, this is so cool. Oh, this would be so good in the winter time with like black jeans. Oh, okay, I'm definitely gonna keep this. I think I have to hang this up actually. I couldn't zip this up. If I can find footage of me wearing this in the haul video, I'll show it. But I honestly don't think I could have zipped this up before. It's still tight. I couldn't zip it up before, so it's obviously a big step. I'm gonna hang this up because I haven't really worn it because I couldn't get to it. I feel like I should take this shirt off. Okay, so I'm wearing a new bra. It looks like I'm naked. YouTube, I'm not naked. Okay, this jacket I used to wear kind of a lot. This is from Boohoo. Yeah, a size 24. So I can even do this one up. I couldn't do this one up before. Most of these clothes are from haul videos. If I can find the footage of me trying this stuff on, I'll definitely insert it like side by side of me wearing it now. I feel like me editing that will make me go insane. Holy shit. I'm gonna keep this because I don't think I have a denim jacket. Well, I do in the other box, but not this cool one. I'm gonna keep this and I'm probably gonna hang it up. Okay, and this one I know doesn't do up because this was my mum's. This is just a yellow and purple baseball jacket or like varsity jacket. It's a size medium. I could never like do this up or anything, which I still can't, let's be honest, because it's gonna pop open. Wait, what? No, what is happening? No, I will not be able to do this up, can I? I could never do this up. Oh my god, I couldn't do this up like ever before. Well, I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so those 3 jackets I'm keeping. I didn't actually realize they fit. Great start. I've gotten rid of one thing, that's it. So this jacket is from Target. It's a 3X and it's just a plain denim jacket, but it has like the fur inside, and I could never do this one up either, and I can. But I'm gonna keep this. This one I haven't really worn. I accidentally bought 2 of these off my Fashion Nova haul, and I gave one to Annalisa. I don't know what size it is. I think it's a 3X. It's basically a black denim jacket that is like connected by hoops. Literally, I haven't worn mine, but Annalisa wears it everywhere, and I'm pretty sure hers is broken. So I think I'm gonna give this one to her. She suits this so much better than I do. I just don't really suit this. So I think I'm gonna give this to her. Okay, then this last one, I actually forgot I had this. Okay, so this is from Pretty Little Thing. It's a size 3X, and it's a completely distressed denim jacket. Oh, that's so big! Oh my lord. I don't know how to react. Look how big this is. Look, like it's fully distressed, as you can see. I feel like this with like a plain black outfit would look... I'm going to keep this because I didn't even know it existed. And then also this jacket here, which I wore recently, so I know it fits. It's from Pretty Little Thing. It's a size 3X, and it's like the annoying plasticky material, but I love this jacket with a passion. It's one of my favorite things in the world, so I'm definitely going to keep this. I'm going to close the closet and I'm going to tackle the drawers, because I know for a fact the drawers are more jam-packed with clothes that do not fit me. I know that for a fact. Please excuse the mess. Obviously, I'm going through my stuff, and also please excuse the lighting that will definitely be happening in this video. As you guys should know by now, this is my bed. Hello. And there is 4 drawers. Ta-da! You can't even see it. So this is the drawer. So I'm going to pull out what I know fits. I think that would be a good start. I'm literally just going to take them all out. I know these do not fit. These are way too big on me. I can't even wear a belt with them. They're too big. So I'm definitely going to chuck them out. If I say chuck them out, I may donate. Okay, so don't have a go with me. That fits. I wore it like last week. I need to try these on because I don't know if they fit. And then I'll have to decide if they fit me well enough to keep them. And then I have to try on my denim skirts. I don't think I'll keep these because they're probably way too big. Sometimes I'm an 18 and sometimes I'm a 20 or 22, depending on the brand, depending on piece of clothing. I used to range from 22 to 26. I never went up any higher than that, but I never could fit in 20s. Now my highest size thing is a 22, but I could actually fit into a size 20 or even an 18 depending on what I'm trying on. I have tried this on recently, but I'll try it on again just in case. My bodysuits are kind of a big thing because I know for a fact that these 3 here were actually tight on me, and like because of the rib material they sink you in, suck you in. I don't know, but I'll have to try them on again. I'm pretty sure these turtlenecks are too big, but I have to try them on, and same with these. So I'm gonna get to trying stuff on and we'll see where this takes us. These I usually fit into, but I'm pretty sure they might be a bit too big. These are from Kmart. They're a size 22. They're big, they're doable, like I can wear these, you know, like I can put up with them, I guess. There's a big Mac pond in my backyard, like they're a little bit big, so if I lose a lot more weight they'll definitely have to go, but I can get away with them. This angle is so bad, so I'm gonna keep these because I can get away with them. Oh shit, okay. I can definitely wear a belt with these, I reckon. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but they're pretty big. I think I'm more or less a 20 in pants now, which is unfortunate because I just bought pants from Pretty Little Thing in size 22, so I hope they still fit me. I'm gonna keep these because I don't really have any jeans, but I'll have to wear a belt with these, of course, so I'm gonna keep these though. Okay, so I did try these ones on a little bit earlier this week. These are the ones from Boohoo. These are the ones with the checkers down the side. I freaking love these pants, but I feel like they're way too big. big because they are a size 24. Oh shit, okay. So they are way too big now. I used to love these jeans, I really did. So I think I have to get rid of them, unfortunately, because they're very baggy on every other area, which you can't really see. But even if I wear a belt, I think it's still going to be too big. I have no idea if these fit me. I haven't worn them in a while, so we'll have to see. This is from Boohoo's from Fashion Nova, so we'll see. We'll try Fashion Nova on first, but they are stretchy, so maybe I'll get away with it. But the belt loops are broken, so I think I might have to get rid of them. We'll never know until we try them on. It fits everywhere else except the waistband, which is the most important part. I think I could get away with them. I might keep them just in case, but I'll see how the other pair fits. But this is more of a cargo pant material. This is more just stretchy, so I have a feeling these will be too big, but we'll see. This is from Boohoo. These are size 24. Jeez, look how high they go. These are way too big. Dang it, I was really happy with these when I got them. I have to get rid of them though. I'm also going to get rid of the Fashion Nova ones, which is the orange pair I just tried on. I did buy more pants from Pretty Little Things, so hopefully they come in the mail very quickly and actually fit me very well. If not, I'm going to cry. Next up are my denim skirts. They're both from Kmart. This one's a 22 and the other one's an 18. This is just a black one. It is big, but I think it's manageable with a belt. Now this will fit and I will wear it, but I'm going to see if the blue one looks better, also fits better, and I'll have to pick between one of the two. So this is the size 18 one. There's a massive sale on the front. I don't like this on me, so I'm going to get rid of this one but keep the black one. I think that's all for my pants, so I'm now going to try on my bodysuits, which is going to be a struggle and a half. So these three are the same material and cutout and all the same size, so I really need to try on one of these to see if it will fit. These are all from Tempt and there are size, these are a medium to large. I'm going to get rid of the black one because I had it for ages and I'm getting a new one, so I'm going to get rid of that straight away. So I have this one and the red one, so I'm going to keep both of these. And I still look good in them, cute. So I'm going to keep both of these. Next I have these two. I'm pretty sure they're way too big. These are both from Cotton On. I got them on sale. I wore this one pretty recently, a couple of vlogs ago, so I'll try this one on, but I'm going to get rid of this one straight away because it just was way too loose on me. But I will try this one on and see if it fits. This is not as bad as the yellow one, so I think I'm going to keep it. I think I just wore the other one way too often. If I wear this one more, I'm definitely going to stretch this, but this fits currently. I have two more. So this is the neon green one from Pretty Little Thing, size 24. I got rid of the black one because it was way too big because I'm getting a new one in the mail. Oh god, yeah, that's way too big. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need it, even though I love turtlenecks, but it's just way too big. This one's from Boohoo. It's white, but I do have another turtleneck that isn't a bodysuit though, so I'm not going to even try this on because I already have one that fits me very well, so I'm going to throw this one out. Okay, so that is all that drawer done. I'm going to take a break because that takes a while. Honestly, I got rid of most of my shit in that drawer, so I'm very happy. Okay friends, so I am back. I took a very long break because I have a headache and I don't feel well, so I apologize for that. But I have sorted out majority of the clothing. I did my t-shirt drawer. I sped through it. I didn't talk through that. Most of my t-shirt drawer is like band t-shirts that I wear to bed. I'm now going to basically put everything away and sort everything out. So I'm going to give you an overview of what my room looks like, and then I'll show you time lapses of me cleaning it, and then I'll show you an overview of how it all turns out in the end. This is what my bed currently looks like. I have all of this down here that I am keeping. This is going in one of the drawers, and then the two garbage bags full of clothes are right here. So I have two garbage bags full of clothing. So I'm going to clean all of this up and hopefully do it kind of quickly, and then I will show you an overview of what my new wardrobe looks like. Okay friends, update. It is 4:08 right now. I just finished sorting out everything. Everything is sorted out and I'm actually pretty happy with it. So I'm going to freehand this, so ignore the quality is bad. But this is my pile of clothing. This is how I look. Hello. We're going to start with the wardrobe. Majority of this stuff is off the hanger and it's very spacious now. Thank God, because there was so much stuff on here. Basically I have my leather jacket and my little fuzzy jumpers jackets, and then this is a long trench coat type of thing. My Fashion Nova set, two very delicate tops that I don't want to fold up. Then we get into hoodies and like kind of like woolly type of long sleeves, jumpers, and then this is my jackets. Before I couldn't put my jackets up because they were too heavy, but now that I've evened it out, it's actually pretty good. So I have all the jackets I tried on. So my 3 denim jackets, the yellow plasticky jacket and the leopard one. So that's all there. And down here, these both have basically all of my Richmond hoodies in it. That is just a jumper I need to alter, but these both have my Richmond stuff in it, so I folded them up nicely and put them in here. But that is my wardrobe. Cute. And speaking of Richmond, I've put some more stuff in this drawer, which you can't see because of the mirror, but over there is just a bunch of beanies, and then the rest of this is my other Richmond stuff. So I have most of my t-shirts in here, and then this drawer, which was originally my pants and bodysuit, is actually really neat, surprisingly. There's a lot of room left, so I have my skirts and my 2 pairs of bike shorts I always wear with everything. All here is all shirts up until like here. These are my bodysuits, and I have room back here, so I put my belts there. They won't be my last spot for them, but I have plenty of room for my new clothes when they come in. And then my 6 drawer unit has changed kind of dramatically. This one is still socks and underwear, so that's nothing's changed there. Next one down is pants. Now it looks pretty empty, but I'm getting a lot more pants in the mail, so I'll sort it out more then. This is the Big W pair. These are my Kmart's, and these are my flowy pants. Underneath there's another one. There we go. Down here is kind of messy, but it's organized. I have my massive hoodies that I sleep in and my bathing suits. This top one hasn't changed, but it's all my gym wear. All that is like my leggings, my long sleeves, my sports bras, all that is in there. This one here is kind of my pajama drawer. This was my t-shirt drawer, but most of these, practically all of these band t-shirts I sleep in, and I left a gap here because I'm wearing my Lewis Capaldi one, and then that they are tracky dacks, and then I have a couple other miscellaneous PJ bottoms there. This last drawer is all of my dresses. I only had a couple in here, but I figured I should just add them all just because I have more room in my cupboard, and I don't really wear dresses that often, but when I do, they're in here to use. And also the other 2 drawers on the opposite side of my bed are empty. So that is the end of this declutter, trying on all my clothes, all that jazz. I got rid of so much clothes. Look at that shit. Oh my god. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a thumbs up for me. I'm very tired. But that's pretty much it, everybody. If you're new here, please subscribe and make 2 videos a week every Monday and Thursday. All my social media links and my new PO box link will be linked down below in the description box like always. So if you want to send me some stuff, you can. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.